my world. I don't worry, darling. Just smile, cause you're by my side. Now your eyes waking up every morning to the love that shines in my.
Walang malapit na parking doon sa my pram. Andun kami nakapark. We're gonna get the eco bag. We have to get the eco bag.
When you go,
punta muna kayo sa car.
Leave me here all alone.
Doon ako nagpapark kung nasan
I'll be
yung pram.
waiting. We can make it because I know
malayo. Sana wag umulan.
After all this time,
kunin lang namin
you
yung
read
eco
between
bag.
these lines. Feeling fine, cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. Reminiscing on the time when we first met. I was tongue-tied, stupefied. What was it that I said? Probably something foolish that didn't make much sense. But you remembered a year later when I saw you next. When I told you that I need to hold you, you said come right on over. I could not wait to show you. I cherish all your life. And after all this time, this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I'll call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby. You were turning me up and you were turning me on. You woke me up at the break of dawn. I told you, baby, I'm so far gone. But I was sneaking out and I was sneaking in back into your room again. Oh, honey, please, can't you see what I see? This is the way it should be. This is the way it should be. I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. Now it's taking, 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 baby.
Okay, let's get this one. Come on. So, kumuha ko ng Granny Smith na 10 and then Pink Lady 10 din. So, 10 pieces each.
And I'll come back.
Kumuha ko ng 3 pomelo. 4 ng pomelo ang kinuha ko. Ayan, tig-2 sa isang plastic. And ilagay ko lang tong mga fruits dito sa isang ano dito ba? Ayan. Kasi mamaya meron tayong mga bibilin pa. Baka hindi na magkasya dyan sa dito ba. So dito yung mga fruits and vegetables. Okay, come on boys, girl. Pili tayo ng banana. Ito. You're right. Okay, what number? Gusto nila kumuha ng fruits. 46, 46.
There.
Hindi na kasya dito. So, dito natin ilagay yung banana. Nandun sila. Hinihintay nilang tawagin yung number nila para kumuha sila ng fruits. Ako, hinahanap ko yung pistachio nuts. Ang daming nuts dito. Iba-ibang klase. Pero hindi yan. Pistachio. Ayun. Isa na lang siya. Patayin itong isa. Ha?
Me and TJ bought online. He bought tried it well. No, I did not. It was already on the...
Salad, please. Classic potato salad. A small, please. Thank you. Ito na yung frites. Kuhaan ko si Jan ng potato salad. Yeah, small container, please. And coleslaw, please. As well. Thank you. Potato salad. Yeah, small container and coleslaw. Yan ang dinner ni Jan. Ito yung magiging dinner ni Jan mamaya. Tsaka chicken. Kuha tayo ng chicken pa pala, kuya. We're gonna get half a chicken lang. Wala yung potatoes na usually kinukuha ko. Yung malaki. Nandito maliliit lang na bag. So, ito na lang siguro. Come on, kuya. Or etong isa. Ano ba? So, ito na lang. Wala eh. Okay na, baba. Okay na, baba. It's heavy, baba. Ala, bala ka dyan. Kuha ko ng avocado. Kaso, eto, pinag-isipan ko kung kuha ko nitong dalawa. Kasi $2.50. Eto, $9.90. Pero 5 na siya. Baka dito makamura tayo. Kasi lagi naman akong kumakain ng avocado. So, eto marami. 1 kilo siguro to. Eto lang kasi maliliit. So, eto na lang. Ilang laman niya? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 1 kilo ba to? Tingnan natin. More than a kilo siya, oh. So, eto na lang. Kasi ano, marami yung laman niya. Tsaka maliliit lang. Okay. No, you don't hold it. Ayan na nga yung patatas. Linagay mo na dyan eh. Come on. Not this one, love. This one. This one. Patayan tig-isa. No, not this one. We need green. Patayang isang capsicum na green and isang red. Where's the plastic bag, Sag? Get me the bag, please. Yung malaki na. Eto. At saka isang green. Ayan, etong dalawa. Okay, thank you. Pinalitan ko yung red kasi sobrang lambot nung isa. So, eto na lang. Okay, let's go. Kuya, nandito na siya sa may mga biscuits. Okay.
I got one of those.
Which one? This one? No. So, what are you doing? Put it back.
And this, can we have this?
Yeah. Okay, let Holly,
Spotty dolls.
yeah, let Holly hold that one. What's this one?
That's them rice crackers.
Okay, rice crackers. What else? How about the shapes? Is that the shape? Teddy. This one. Yeah.
Look at the back, Mom.
Holly, you have that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Gusto ni Kuya ng Jats. Okay. No. This one kasi ito nasa individual pack siya. Wag na yung Sak. Come on. Ito yung kinukuha ni Sak. Come on. Kalimutan ko. Yung garlic. Nandito yung garlic. Kuya, watch Holly. Ito yung gusto kong garlic. Ito. Dalawang. Come on, Kuya. Make sure you watch that one. And ginger. Patay ng ginger. Ayan, okay na to. Come on. Lalambitin na niya yung kiluhan dito. Pag yan nabagsak, ikaw ang ibabayad ko sa. Patay ng onions. Wala silang red. Asan kaya? Ito lang yung maliliit ang gusto ko. Ayoko yung sobrang laki. Wait, Sak. I'm looking for small one. Kasi minsan ang lalaki nila. Ito, maliliit to, oh.
This is small one.
Nandito yung yung patatas na binibili ko. Katabi lang ng onions. Sak, come here. Ibalik natin to. Wait, can you put it back there, please? Because I found the other one. Dito siya. Fix nga muna natin. Kuya, careful ah. Ha? Crumpets. Okay. Ito yung patatas na binibili ko. Just you don't want the round one? How about the round one? Oh, okay. It's alright, that one. It's all the same. Okay, Holly, don't drop it, ha?
Donut? Jam donut?
What? Mini? No, just a small one. Banana muffin and blueberry muffins. Okay. Careful. Ako na nga, kuya. Come on. Put it here. This side, oh. This side.
muffin.
Ayan nyo silang dalawa. Oh. Kuha tayo ng lamb chops.
Oh, see, I wanna hold.
And kuha tayo ng pipino. No, not that one, Zach. This one. Wait. Ito, mas malaki. Oh. Put in the cart, please. Thank you. Diyan gusto nyo magpabili ng Thousand Island. Oh, kuya, dressing for daddy. You want drive? Gusto lang ni kuya. Bumalik ako dito kasi gusto kong bumili ng
Mom, I've had them before.
almond.
When I was little,
Yeah.
when I was 3.
Diba kumuha na tayo ng pistachio dito? Eto, kuha tayo ng almond.
Look.
Come on.
Look.
May gusto rin si Sak. Ano yung gusto mo?
We always have these ones.
So you want the chili lime? Chili and lime?
Can you get me that?
So ako naman ang inutusan niyang kumuha ng bag. You just gonna share, okay? Wait, Sak. Wait,
How
Sak.
about I hold?
Okay. Make sure you don't spill, ha? Ako na nga. Ako na lang na.
No, I don't.
Okay. You hold the bag.
Right here.
Mag-share na lang sila. Careful, Sakiri.
Okay, one more scoop.
Diba? Okay na.
No, last is a little small one.
Sabi mo last one, tapos naghihirit ka.
Little, yeah.
Okay. So, what's the number?
Alright.
973. Come on here.
Hey, can I do it?
973.
Wait, do I?
Here. 973. Press 9. 7. 3. Enter. Print. $3.75. And close this one. Where's the tag? Here, Sak. Sak, get that one. Huy, get the yellow one here. And put it here.
This is someone.
No, not that one. Put
Why?
it here. Okay, that's it. Come on.
That is it now?
Not yet. We have to pay. No, we haven't paid. Just to get how much? Come on. Namin to push, kuya. Okay, let's go here. Hindi makadaan si kuya. I'm just gonna move. Thank you. Come on, kuya. Sak, nakita niya to and sabi niya, bilhin ko raw to sa kanya para sa fruits niya. Kasi yung isa malaki, ayaw niya. So, eto raw mas maliit. Mas gusto niya maliit. And si Holly gusto niya rin ng
I like my
pink
pink one.
one. So, si kuya, kinunan ko na lang ng green. What's that, Sa? Alright, get one for kuya as well. No. No, that's for ice pack. Which one you want? Light blue. Okay, that's enough. Come on. Green and blue kay Sak.
What is it?
Mayroon na sila nito yung malaki.
What?
That one here. Look, kuya. Yup, and put that in your bag. Okay, let's go. Inayos ko lang yung aming cart para mailagay namin yung mga drinks. Ito yung pambaon nila sa school. Ito nga, maganda to kasi 5-star ang rate sa kanya, oh. So, ito yung tropical. V8 tropical. So, dalawa nito. Ay, tatlo. Kuha tayo ng isa kasi si Holly din. Wait, kuya. And what's that? That's not tropic, kuya. Breakfast. Ayan. And another one of this, kuya. So, itong pang baon-baon nila. Kaysa, fruit box. Ito, mas healthy. And, alright, that's it, kuya. And we're gonna get this one. Ito, gusto ko to eh.
Can we try this one?
Okay.
Can we get that one first?
That's the same, but this one is big. Okay. Yeah. Pambahay.
Oh, that's
Tropical.
breakfast.
Is that breakfast?
No, that's breakfast.
Ah.
No, that one's a bit darker.
It's alright. So, this is tropical and this is breakfast.
And
Okay, we'll get this one.
I'm trying over. Mom, how's that the small one?
Yung banana. Wait, kuya, yung banana. Ha? Wait lang. How about this one? We'll try this one. Power blend. Ay, lahat green. Try natin din ito. Etong dalaw, etong isa na try namin to ni Kuya. And you like it? And namin. Sak, do you like this? Do you like this? Si Kuya gusto yan. Okay, let's go. Si Sak gusto niya raw na Oreo. Okay, wait. This one. Mini Oreo. Get two, Sak. Another one, Saki. Ako na.
I'll get it.
No, I'll do it.
I got it.
So, dalawang Oreo baon nila. So, cool. Okay, come on. And kuha kami ng emergency full cream milk kasi lagi nilang ginagawa nilang tubig yung gatas. So, ayan, pag naubusan, ito yung iniinom nila or panlagay sa cereal. Milo, Sak? Okay. Careful. Okay, come on. Ako ng cocoa water. Si Jan, pinabili ko na siya sa shop kahapon. Wait, kuha tayo ng dalawa. Excuse me, Sak.
And you want to buy them too?
No. Just this one, Kuya.
We have plenty of this.
No, I just have one at home. Dalawa nito. Ayan.
No.
Okay.
That's drinks.
No, I think Dad still have drinks there. Dito ko na lang kunan si Jan ng steak. Pero si Jan, as much as possible, mas gusto niya yung steak niya. Kinukuha ko sa butcher. Kaso, hapon na eh. And baka umulan paglabas namin. Wait, Kuya. Pili lang muna ako ng steaks. Dito marami. Ito, T-bone to eh. Ito, rump. And rump steak. And what's this? Scotch. Ayan, pili tayo. Dito kukunan ngayon si Jan ng steak niya. It's not yet.
It's February right now.
Yeah, February 1 today, right, Kuya?
It's birthday, February the
When, Kuya?
11th.
No?
28.
That's right. Nagjo-joke lang siya, pero 28 ang birthday ko. So, tumitingin ako ng eto. Meron akong kinang chops eh. Kuha ako ng loin chops. Dalawa. Okay, ito na lang. Okay, let's go. Sak, kunin mo to. Sak, kuha tayo ng oil. Vegetable oil. Ito. Kuya, come here. And sugar. White sugar. Ito, white sugar. Kuya, wait, Kuya, because Saks need to put that one. Be careful, Sak.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay, wait. Ay, madudurog mo, Sak, yung ano. Wait, Holly.
I think that's enough.
I know, Kuya, wait. Ay. You know what, Holly? Why don't you walk, Holly? Can you walk, Holly?
No, I got so many.
Oh, my sore legs.
I don't.
Dito
I
natin.
got
And oil, okay. Sugar, okay. Kuha tayo ng dry yeast. Kuha ko ng yeast. Ito. Oh, excuse me, Kuya, sa. Kuha tayo ng olive oil.
Look. Oh.
Okay. Yep, come on. Ubos na yung vitamins nila. Okay. No, this one.
Oh, what's this one?
Yeah, because this is your vitamins. Gusto ni Sak no mag-try ng iba. No. This one.
Like,
Is your super duper finished? Are you sure we don't have that in the freezer?
We only got one of them left, but everyone's gonna fight over it.
Okay. Get
We
one.
got one of them left.
Okay. Yung super duper nila. Come on here. Kuha tayo ng shampoo. Ito yung shampoo na. Minsan nagpapalit din ako ng shampoo, pero ngayon kunin natin Head and Shoulders. Shampoo and conditioner. Okay, come on. Si Holly gusto nang bumaba doon. Okay. Thanks, Kuya. You right? May iniinda si Kuya kasi nung binuhat niya si Holly para tanggalin sa cart, nakatama siya dun sa ano. Dun may kanto dun. Ayan, oh. Masakit. Don't suck. Don't press. Ayan, oh. You will be fine, oh, Kuya. Sakit. Kuha ko na panty liners. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Dito natin ito ilagay sa cart ni Sa. Come on. Baba, put the lid on your lunchbox, Holly. Holly. Dito tayo sa mga ano, mga panlinis. Ito, naubusan ako nito. Para sa toilet. Ito, Sa. Yan. And meron pa ako nito. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa ano, sa damit namin. At saka yung pang ito yung parang ano sa atin, downy. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Meron pa ako niyan, pero ang hinahanap ko ay yung powder para sa mga pampunas, punasan. Ito, fab. Ayan. Maliit lang. Ito. Para sa mga ano, tea towels, tsaka rugs. Holly. Sorry. Baba, get down please. Yung ano na lang, yung malaki na lang ang kunin ko para matagal. Oops, saan ko ito dito siya. Ito na lang yung malaki. Sak. Mabigat siya. Value pack. Dati, ito yung ginagamit kong sabon sa panlaban namin ng mga damit. Kaso one time, napansin ko, yung damit na puti tsaka yung may kulay, mayroon siyang spot na blue kasi ang liquid nito ay blue. Kaya ngayon, ang ginagamit ko na ay fluffy o kaya yung downy. Ayan, etong fluffy o kaya eto. Tapos eto yung parang downy na pampabango. Okay, let's go. Who got this nappy? Meron nang kumuhang nappy. What size? You got it, Sak? Okay, let's go. Doon na tayo sa mga... No, cold food. Come on. Hurry up, kiddos. Punta na kami doon sa cold food. Kung saan nandun yung mga butter. Yakult. We're gonna get Yakult. Okay, stop. Sa kuha tayo ng carrots and peas. Ito yun. Ang paborito ni Jan. Saki. Ang layo na ni Sak. Kuha siya ng Yakult. Hindi mo yan abot sa curry. Kuha tayo ng Yakult. Baba. Yakult, dalawa nito.
What's the blue one like?
Light. That's light.
Wait, how come we always
Sour cream. Sak, ang layo mo sa akin.
want to get this one?
Okay. Minion. No, this one. Minion. No, this one. Yakult, Holly?
Yeah.
Yakult.
That.
Yogurt. That's right, yogurt. Sorry,
We're
Holly.
allowed to have it for brain food. And
Apple.
no.
2 apple.
What? Have you got mango?
No, I don't. Okay, get 2 mango. 3. Okay, that's it. Okay, I think
This yogurt, because we're allowed to have it for brain food.
this one.
We'll get 3. We can
Okay,
have
3.
one.
Okay.
So we can all have one. Can I have one?
Yeah, when you get home. Tayo ng eggs. Check muna natin kung okay sila. Okay sila. Saki, where are you?
Oh, we're going that way. We're going that way.
Okay, orange juice. Ito yung masarap tong orange juice na to. Original juice, black label. No added sugar, okay? Okay, come on. Kuha kami ng nuggets. Kasi si Sap gusto niya ng nuggets para sa ano, minsan baon niya pa for lunch. Sap, what kind of nuggets you want? Dinosaur or regular one?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
I want dinosaur.
Okay.
This one.
This is the same sack. This is more. That's the same Zachary. Come on. Portion ng butter. We still have butter, Baba. Put it back. No, we still have a lot of butter. Kuha tayo ng cooking butter.
No, I have this one.
Tayo dalawa nito. Okay, Zach. Tapos na kami. Magbabayad na kami. Kaso ang haba ng pila doon, oh. Come on, boys. Kuya, here, this way. Zach, watch out, watch out. No, we don't need that one. Dito na lang tayo. Ang haba ng pila. Dito na lang kayo. Okay, dito na lang tayo. Here. Kuha ko ng chicken. Yung ano lang, kalahati lang. Kasi may tira pa kaming ano. Ano ba yun? Yung linuto ko kagabi na... Holy, come here. Linuto ko crispy pata. Meron pa kami doon. Kay Jang, gusto niya siguro chicken. So, bilang ko siya ng chicken na half lang. Kalahating chicken. Eto. Oops, sorry. Ang lit naman ito. Wala ba yung ano? Magpakat tayo kasi wala silang half dito. Eto kasi ano lang to, breast. Ang lit naman yan para kay Jan. Thank you. You too. Come on, Holly. Ito na yung kalahating chicken. Sila na pala, oh. Wait lang. Put all the cold meat first. Cold food. Sorry. First, and then all the cold food. Fruits and vegetables. Okay. Akin na yan. Ito, mga fruits. Ayaw niya magpapigil. Tumutulong din si Holly. Okay, Baba. No, not that one yet, Baba. Fruits and vegetables. Kasi pinauna ko lagi yung mga cold food and next yung fruits and vegetables. Para madali lang din sa kanila. I still have cold one here. Butter. Si Holly. Baba, wait. Not that one yet, Baba. Here, Baba, here. Put it here. Thank you. Tingnan nyo siya. Sige, kaya mo yan. Oh. Hindi niya maabot sa dito siya sa kabila. Kasi kung mamaya na kasi puno na yung dito. Put it here, Baba. Oh, here. Here, Baba. There. Good girl. Okay, get all the fruits, vegetables, Zach. Get the vegetables. Yep. Akin na. What's that, Baba? Cebu? Huh? What's that? Sibuyas. Okay na. Ito mamaya ng mga to. Okay, Kuya. Oh, that's enough for now. That's enough for now, Baba. Okay. Potatoes. I think it's alright that one there, Kuya. Later. Get water. Nauhaw na sila. Just get one water. No, that's not cold sack. That one. That one. Cold one. No, this one because we need to share. Okay, Kuya. Yeah, we have to pay first this one. Can you scan this for us? They're thirsty. Thank you. Okay. Water. Share, okay? Give Holly water as well. Yeah, wait for your turn, Baba. And Holly. Holly, you wait. You don't just grab. Okay, akin na. Done? Ako din. Nauhaw din ako.
Mommy, can I sit down?
Now we're almost done, Baba.
No, no.
Let's go, Holly. Ayan, tapos na kayo dito sa coast. And medyo malayo yung
Mom, when you
car namin. Come on, let's go. Sa, can you hold your sister? Hold your sister, please. Si Sak, hindi na makapaghintay. Gusto niya kumain ng Oreo. Hold your sister, Nak. Nak, hold your sister. Hold your sister there, please. Holly, stay here. Stay here next to Mommy, Holly. Buti na lang, tinulungan kami ng isang yung lady. Medyo matanda na siya. Tinulungan niya si Kuya. Wait, okay, wait. No, not yet. Kuya, can you hold this one first? I'll open the car. Careful, ha? Careful. Wait. Okay.
Oh, this is
Okay, ako na, Kuya. Okay.
Oreos. That's small.
Yeah, only small because we still have the crispy pata. Hindi na lang, hindi umuulan. Ayan si Kuya and si Sak kasi sila yung lalagay dun sa dulo. No, Baba, you don't need to go there, okay? Excuse me, Holly.
That, put it there.
Holly, okay?
That you know you put the Oreos in.
Ayan ang itsura ng likod ng car. Eto, ilagay ko to sa harapan kasi mababasag to. O, dito. Holly, don't step on this, okay? Okay. Kuya, gusto niyang kunin yung apricot. Okay. I don't know where it is, Holly. Okay, sit down, Baba. Next stop is Baker's Delight. Seatbelt, Baba. Kumakain na sila ng Oreo, tsaka si Kuya. Apricot. Later, Baba. Hinahanap niya yung lunch box niyang pink. Yeah, but I cannot find it there, Baba. Later na lang. Yeah. Okay, ready, get set? 1, 2,
3.
Baker's Delight na tayo. Dito na kami sa Baker's Delight. Masarap kasi dito ang tinapay. Lahat ng tinapay nila masarap dito. Okay, let's go. Kain na kami, guys. And ayun si Holly. And eto, madami akong isusort out. Hoy, boys! Andun na sila sa PS4. Come on, help Mommy! And about pala dun sa dancing ni Holly. Hey, honey! The ballet dance is only Saturday. And then, the hip-hop, yung kinda kids, pwede siyang Wednesday or Saturday. Pero yung ballet, Saturday lang. So, siguro si Holly, ang gagawin niya is Wednesday, yung parang mix of hip-hop, jazz, every Wednesday, and then ballet, Saturday. Pero for sure si Holly mamimiss niya ang ballet minsan kasi nga kaya ang gusto ni Jen i-change na weekdays kasi baka every weekend nasa Adelaide kami kasi nga 'di ba yung golf ng mga bata. Oy boys, come on. Tyron. Where are you going? Okay, can you close that one? Yeah. Close that one, please. So, come on, help now. Come on. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Kasi nakita nyo naman lahat ng mga pinamili namin. So, ang gagawin namin ay ipuput away siya. Yun ang nakakapagod, yung pag-put away. Madali mag-shopping, pero yung pag-put away, medyo matagal siya. Ha? Saki, come on. Si Sak nandun to. Yeah. Later I will look your basement. Baba. Tell them how you like your dancing. Come on, Baba. Come on. You like dancing? Huh? I can hear you. Yep. Come on. Ayan si Kuya siya magpuput away ng mga biscuits. Kuya, you do it properly, please. I want organized. You know how I do it? You know, like this. You put it up. So it's easy for you. Sak, you're still not here, Zachary. I will get that remote kasi pag hindi siya sumunod sa akin, itatago ko yung remote. Buti siguro yan dito na. So, let's close the vlog, Sak. Come on. Okay, Holly, come on. Thank you, guys. Sana magustuhan nyo itong vlog. And, I know it's February 1. Baka late nyo na naman to guys mapanood kasi nga, malapit na matapos. Malapit na pa matapos yung December vlog. And, yeah. So, okay. Hoy. See you guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog.
So, you know,
bye.
you're just rolling in it?
Yeah, like that. Organize, please. And ito pala yung nabili namin na sliced bread sa Baker's Delight.